Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Client Terminal. Today, we will be covering how to buy and sell stop on VertexFX Client Terminal. Let's start by navigating to the Market Watch and explore the dynamic world of gold trading. And start exploring the gold market. You can view the resistance value and the support value on the charts here to guide our trading decisions. Let's kick things off by placing a buy stop order. First, click on New Entry Order in the Technical Analysis tab. Select the symbol XAU to USD for gold. Then set the type as buy stop. Our lot size remains constant at 0.01. Take note of the current price, which stands at $16.24. Now, let's analyze the gold resistance. If it breaks at $16.31, our buy position will be at $16.32. I'll show you an example at $16.32. If it breaks here, our buy order will be placed. You can also consider adding stop loss and take profit if you wish. Finally, place your order by clicking on Submit. As you can see in the trade panel below, our buy stop order with a lot size of 0.01 in gold has been successfully placed. Now, let's move on to the second option, Sell Stop. Click on New Entry Order and set the type as Sell Stop. Keep in mind that the support level for gold is at $16.15 and the current price is $16.23. Our sell stop should be set below that, at $16.14. Enter the price and submit. And just like that, your sell stop order has been placed and you can view it in the trade panel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications.